Most contractors lose control of their day when they start running multiple job sites because updates, schedules, and job details live in different places instead of one system that shows what is happening in real time. By the end of this, you'll know how to manage multiple job sites as a contractor, how to stay on schedule across crews or locations, and how to reduce missed updates and job delays. Managing multiple job sites is not about working faster. It is about having visibility so you always know what is happening without physically being everywhere at once. The first step is centralizing your schedule. Every job, crew assignment, and location needs to live in one shared calendar or scheduling system. This matters because when schedules are scattered across messages or memory, double booking and missed arrivals become common. The second step is setting clear job priorities. Not every job has the same urgency, so each site should be labeled based on timing, importance, and deadline. This helps you decide where attention is needed first, instead of reacting randomly during the day. The third step is using real-time updates from the field. Each job site should be able to send status updates, photos, or completion notes back to one central place. This reduces the need for constant phone calls just to understand progress. The fourth step is standardizing job checklists. When every job follows the same structure, it becomes easier to track progress across multiple locations. This also reduces mistakes caused by different crews interpreting instructions differently. The fifth step is limiting manual communication. Instead of calling or texting for every update, you rely on structured job updates and scheduled check-ins. This keeps communication organized instead of scattered across different channels. When comparing approaches, the main difference is between reactive management and system-based management. Reactive management depends on constant checking and communication. System-based management relies on organized schedules and live updates from the field. The most successful contractors don't try to personally monitor every job all the time. They build systems that show job status automatically. Another key factor is consistency. When every job follows the same workflow, it becomes easier to manage scale without increasing stress or confusion. A practical next step is to list all your current job sites and write down how you currently get updates for each one. That shows exactly where information is breaking down. If this helped you understand how to manage multiple job sites as a contractor, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of contractor systems and field operations.